Tatawag naman. Lo, panibagong chika na naman to. Pero may anak, patapos na pala to. Ay. Lo, miss lang talaga ako ng mga to eh. Lo, hindi ko naabutan. Ay, ano to? Ano meron? Tapos ano ba kaya pinapagawa ni ma'am? May deadline nun, diba? Ano to? Hindi ko alam.
created. Let's get into it. We will discuss it based on the code structure and patterns. First step, problem understanding. Identifying the problem of providing a tool to convert between element symbols, names, atomic numbers, and electron configurations. Second, planning the solution. Starting by planning the overall structure of the program, including the required functions, data structures, and user interface. But let's first define the helper functions. There are two that was used. Get underscore electron underscore configurations, open parenthesis element, close parenthesis. This function maps element symbols to their respective electron configurations and returns the configuration and the total number of electrons for a given element. The next one, get underscore element, open parenthesis electron underscore config, close parenthesis. This function maps electron configurations to the corresponding element symbols and returns the symbol for a given electron configuration. Moving on to the third step, creating dictionaries. Creating dictionaries to store the mappings between element symbols, electron configurations, and element names. These dictionaries provide the necessary data for the conversion operations.
Fourth step is implementing the main function. The main function acts as the entry point of the program and handles user interaction. It starts with an infinite loop that repeatedly prompts the user for input until they choose to exit. It is also a while loop that is used to repeatedly prompt the user for input. Depending on the user's choice, the program calls the corresponding helper functions to retrieve the requested information and prints the results. Fifth step, Executing the program. The program is executed by calling the main function at the end of the script. This ensures that the program starts running when the script is executed. Last step, handling user input. The program prompts the user with a menu of options and processes their input accordingly. It validates the input and calls the appropriate functions to perform the requested conversion. Overall, we follow this systematic approach. First, defining the necessary function and data structures, and then implementing the user interface and the main logic of the program.
As you reach the website, you will first see an overview about FINDER and a short lecture about electron configuration. Then you'll be able to see a link on where you can access this instructional video about FINDER. After those, you can now interact with the actual function of FINDER. First, you'll need to click the Run button. Then the program will ask you what do you need, and there will be 4 options to choose from. When you type 1, it indicates the intention to convert an element symbol to its electron configuration. For example, you enter the symbol EI to retrieve the electron configuration. However, EI is not a valid symbol for any known element. The assistant responds indicating that the entered symbol is invalid. You will be asked to try again and then choose option 1. This time you enter the symbol ES. The assistant provides the electron configuration of the element with the symbol ES. Additionally, the assistant informs the user about the total number of electrons in the element with the symbol ES, which is 99. However, if you want to retrieve the electron configuration using the element's name, then you have to choose option 2. For example, you want to look for the electron configuration of the element named gold this time. After you type the word gold, the assistant provides the electron configuration of the element with the name gold, which has the symbol AU. It also mentions the element has 79 electrons. Now, how about if you choose option 3? If you choose option 3, it means you are looking for the electron configuration using the atomic number. For example, you entered the atomic number 118 this time. The assistant provides the name and the symbol of the element with the atomic number 118, which is organoson with the symbol OG. It then provides the corresponding electron configuration. So how about if you want to look for the element using the electron configuration? If this is the case, then you'll need to choose option 4. One S2, 2S2, and 2P1. The assistant will successfully identify the element corresponding to the given electron configuration. In this case, the electron configuration corresponds to boron or an element symbol B. And when you are done, you can choose the option 0 to exit the program or generator. The assistant will acknowledge your decision to exit the generator and concludes the conversation. Finally, if you still have some question regarding the topic electron configuration, there are also some links included at the bottom. Using FINDER is very easy and convenient, right? It's just one click and you'll be able to accumulate the electron configuration, element name, and symbol you are looking for.